2.1 Relations and Functions. This is our last section in 2.1, Introduction to Function Notation. What is this weird thing with the F's and the X's? Is there another way to think about function notation? Do we always use the letter F? And what do I do when I have some number inside the parentheses instead of X? This, you can probably tell me what that thing looks like it stands for. It looks like it's standing for Y, and really that's what that thing does. It really just works like a Y. We call this, or we say it as f of x, and it's saying really the value of f, some function, at x, and we're going to give you values of x, just like we'll give you values of x otherwise, to substitute and then find the value of the function. So it's the value of the function at some given thing. Is it always going to be an f? No. Usually if they finish up with f, let's say you have a few different functions, you've got this going on, and then you have another function in the situation. So you have a couple, they'll name the second one g of x. And if there's a third one, then maybe it's h of x. They just tend to go in order like that. Nothing special about the letters. So what do we do with them? Well, if I have this written, what do I do when they give me one of those numbers in there? So f of 3, what's f of 3 given this function? F of x equals x squared plus 2. Well, all that's saying is it's saying the same thing as this. It's saying evaluate x squared plus 2 when I give you the value x equals 3. So it's really just saying substitute and do the math. On the right, it's giving it to you as an expression. On the left, it's just acknowledging that it's a function. So we would say f of 3 is 3 squared plus 2. Do the math, follow our order of operations. So f of 3 is 11. That's all. So f of x is just another way of talking about functions instead of y. Really think of it as y and you're going to be okay for most of the year. Do we always use f? No, we can use other ones. And what do I do with something like f of 3? We just substitute.